Reduce fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth. Uses dual wavelength laser system. Works on various connective structures of the skin. Fast, non-invasive, requires no anesthesia. Non-invasive laser facelifting. Intraoral treatment. Delivers gentle bulk heating. Stimulates collagen contraction. Reduces laugh lines. Uses the latest innovation in laser system. Restores skin's youthful texture. Rejuvenates skin imperfections. Tightens skin. Improves skin appearance. Gives a pro finish. Get softer, firmer skin.